Hello friends. In this video I will show you how to change the design of your website and how to create a logo. This video is one of the tutorial series which is about building your website in less than an hour step by step. If you didn't watch the previous video which its title Create a Website in 5 minutes, I advise you to watch it first before this video. The video link will appear now in the top right corner of the screen. Stay tuned. First things first, go to https://hostmister.com, then log in to your account. Hover over sign in and enter your username and password and click login button. And as usual, this screen is to remind you that you're still in the trial period and you can simply refresh the page to skip it. Hover over Web Tools and click Site Builder Sites. Here are the list of sites which were created with the Site Builder. It only has one website now because we only made one site just for the purpose of this tutorial. To log in to your website as administrator, click Login button. It's very simple to change the design. Just click Design button on the left side. To change the main color of your website, click on Website Colors. Here are a list of color choice. You can click any color and watch the menu and buttons colors. If you feel satisfied about the color, click Save button to save the changes. Or you can simply refresh the page to skip the changes. From here you can change the fonts. You can search the font you like just by clicking the font name. As you can see, there are a lot of fonts to choose from. Best fonts for websites are Arial, Sans, Serif, Verdana, Helvetica, Courier, and Times New Roman. Times New Roman is a variation of the old Times font from the serif group. Choose the font you like and click Save button to see the effect. You can also choose from these lists which gives the demo to see how the font looks before even saving. From here you can change the footer fonts. The footer is the last section of your website. This is the website footer, just in case if you don't know. For more settings, just click the More Setting button. From here you can make the whole website inside container, and how it will look. Just notice the empty spaces the container makes. Here you can choose the dark theme to make your website color dark. If you disable the scroll to top button, this arrow will be no longer available. You can enter a custom code in case if you know about HTML and JavaScript codes. It's some advanced topic I don't like to get into right now. Now let's try to make a logo. Click on Create a Logo. Here are a lot of logo samples to choose from. You can choose whatever logo design you like and click Continue to Editor. Change the site name, and choose the font color. You can even change the font from here. You can even choose different design form gallery. You can add an object to your logo. From here you can add text and resize it too. Once you are satisfied, click download button. You can download the small logo size for free. You only need to pay if you want the big size, but for now I think the small size will be enough. This video became too long already. In the next video I will show you how to upload the logo and continue changing the design. Thank you for watching. See in the next video tutorial.